you mentioned yoga, and I
Hmm.
also know that stretching and mobility and things like that they're also so overlooked when it comes to fitness. And I know that you're big on this. So
Yes.
why do you think they are overlooked when it comes?
It's
It's
boring. It's boring. It
mm,
takes up more time than anybody has.
yeah,
Uh, they don't feel the benefit right away.
right.
With stretching, it's more of like the tiny habits. It's more of a long-term benefit as opposed to seeing the benefit right away. But
Hmm.
even myself, I was the worst at stretching. And back in January, I started on a regular yoga program, and I absolutely see the benefit now. And I have always told my clients for 16 years, don't neglect the stretch. But yet
Hmm.
I too was neglecting the stretch. But
Yeah.
as we age and our muscles get tighter
Uh-huh.
and we don't get as much elasticity in our muscles, we absolutely have to stretch.